We guide you through how to transfer everything from an old iPhone to iPhone in 2026. So first, make sure both devices are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Then place your new phone near your old one to trigger the quick start setup. Once your old iPhone open, tap continue when prompted. Then use your camera to scan the animation shown on your new device. Enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID. When you reach the transfer your data, choose Transfer from iPhone to move all your apps, photos, contacts, messages, and settings directly. Keep both phones close and connected throughout the process to avoid interruptions. Once the transfer is complete, finish settings up your new iPhone and allow a few minutes for apps and data to fully download in the background. If Quick Start isn't available, you can restore from an iCloud backup by signing in with your Apple ID during setup and selecting your latest backup.